Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the chapter checkup of this lesson. Find the quotient and remainder, if any. 9 divided by 6. 9 divided by 6. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 3. Okay. And rest of the same. 39 divided by 4. 35 divided by 8. Okay. Next, check if the given quotients or remainders are correct. 20 divided by 6. Quotient 3, remainder 4. So first we have to see whether it is correct or not. 20 divided by 6. So quotient is 3, remainder is 2. So this is what they given, it's wrong. So they gave remainder 4, it's wrong. And same we have to check 41 divided by 7. So second one, both are wrong. Quotient is 6, remainder is 6. But here quotient is 5, remainder also 5. Okay. Next, find the quotient and remainder, if any. One I'll do, okay. 396 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, minus 0, 9 we have to bring down, 3 3s are 9, 0, 6 we have to bring down, 3 2s are 6. So answer is 132, quotient 132, remainder is 0. Understood? So in the same way you have to do remaining. Okay. Next, 8 cakes were cut into 96 pieces. How many pieces was each cake cut into if each was cut into the same number of pieces? 96. So 12 pieces. Okay. 58 children were standing in rows of 9. How many rows of 9 children could they make? "58 divided by 9. So answer is 6. 6 rows. Okay. Next, Disha had 42 shells. She wanted to put them into bags of 5 each. How many shells will not be in a bag? 42 divided by 5. So, how many shells will not be in a bag? 2 shells. 2. At an amusement park, 7 people can get into a boat ride at one time. How many boats will be needed for 52 people? Nobody should be left out of the ride. So answer is 7. Okay. Now reminder 3 will remain. So they need 8. Okay, 7 or 8 boats. Choose the operation you would use to solve the problem if it had numbers. Nurse has to stick glass beads. If she has 5 beads in all, how many bangles can she decorate? So answer is division. She has to do divide. Okay, understood? For this we finished our division, more about division. Tomorrow we will start fractions. Last lesson, fractions. Okay, thank you.